exciting but also scary in a way, because there's a lot that's expected of you, especially looking at being a female. But it's exciting too because it's somewhere where females have never gone before. So yeah, take it around and been great because it's the most practical science I've had. It's very hands-on. Like, I thought you just come and mix a couple of things, but you really got to have a firm understanding of physics, chemistry, and so then it's also made use of my bio background as well. So because you have to be able to coax the best out of your ingredients. So yeah, it's rather than being just theoretical about it, it's being practical, because then I'm also learning about plumbing, about electrical, about engineering. So yeah, who gets a chance to do that?